Hi, Bhuvan. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
Good. And can you see me properly? And is my voice clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, your voice is clear. Yeah.
Great. So, what do we do?
Nothing, ma'am. I'm just sitting on my chair.
Okay, having special?
Hmm?
Nothing special.
Nothing special. Yeah. Yeah.
So, what have you done since morning today?
Sorry.
What have you done since morning today?
Yeah. Since morning. First, first I look my session note.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, and then I talk with my friends.
All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. And after that, yeah, and I played badminton with my friends.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice. You like
Yeah.
badminton?
Yeah, on daily
I
basis.
love that.
Yeah, daily. I think 1 or 2 hour. I played daily. I play
Oh,
daily.
that's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
So, where do you play? Is there an indoor court near you?
No, no, no. Actually, in my village area, there is no indoor court. We play in fields. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's nice. But
yeah,
when it's windy, it becomes very difficult.
yeah. It become yeah, yeah. Sometimes it becomes very difficult. Yeah,
Yeah, because of the wind. Right.
yeah, because of wind. But yeah, but in morning time, the flow of wind is very quiet, so we can play very easily in morning time, but in daytime or in evening time it's very hard to play here.
That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
Okay. So, Bhuvan, you said that in the morning I look at my session note.
I look at, yeah, look
I looked at in
looked
the
at
morning.
my
I looked at my
session note here.
note. Okay. Okay. So the session document that is for today's session.
Yeah, session document. Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
So, did you read the vocabulary?
Vocabulary, no.
Okay, you
uh,
have it. All right. You
no.
should write. There's
Yeah,
a lot of yeah.
yeah, I didn't see vocabulary, but yeah, I saw notes, session notes.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yeah.
what did you read? Can you tell me something out of that?
uh, mm, it was about celebrities, like what do you think about celebrities and how they influence you? Yeah.
Okay. So, tell me, are you a movie fan? Do you like
mm,
watching?
Actually, ma'am, I watch movie, but uh, basically I prefer biographies.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
nice.
I prefer all the biographies. And sometime I think, if someone recommend me that please watch that movie, that was very nice, so I would see. Yeah, otherwise I'm not a movie lover. Yeah.
Alright. So if somebody recommends you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Not
Like,
recommend. No, what?
yeah, yeah. Like, a couple of days back, one of my friend recommended me KGF.
Okay.
KGF. Yeah,
I
and
think
that
that's a
time,
South movie.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So then I watched that movie. Yeah, KGF. It's fantastic. It was fantastic. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, some people have told me to watch that movie, and so is the case with me. I am very lazy. So I also don't watch a lot of movies. I only see the movies that are on TV, and if I'm shooting something, so that's only when.
okay. So, ma'am, do you watch web series?
Yeah, I am currently watching a web series and I have watched a few, but yeah, the same case. I'm too lazy and I take a lot of time to finish one. Currently, I'm watching The Good Doctor.
Good Doctor. Okay.
Yeah, if you haven't, are you interested in some scientific thing? Actually, it's not very scientific, it's nice. The Good
Yeah,
Doctor, you can watch it. It's nice.
Good Doctor.
Yeah, The Good Doctor.
Yeah, I have seen two web series. The first one is Stranger Thing, and
Oh, yeah,
second,
I've seen that.
yeah, yeah, and second one is Breaking Bad.
Breaking Bad. Yeah, people have told me it's really nice. Breaking Bad. I haven't seen it.
Yeah,
Is it good?
but
Did you like
yeah,
it?
yeah, it is good. Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Okay. And Stranger Things season one I saw, and then it was. so disturbing. I started season second,
Okay.
and there was actually in the starting there is this thing, right? Some weird creature when
Yeah.
the season second started.
Yeah.
So I left it there. I could not sleep properly after watching that. I gave up. Actually,
Okay.
the thing was, I was watching the Stranger Things and The Walking Dead as well. So
Okay.
I think that happened due to Walking Dead or what, but The Walking Dead has zombies and everything, so it is very creepy. So I
Okay.
couldn't watch it. I left it after a few episodes. The Walking
Okay. So, basically, what kind of things do you prefer to watch?
Dead.
Like,
Okay, so
yeah.
not these creepy stuff. I can't watch. I realized it later. Earlier I thought, why can't I see it? It's not that bad. I was like challenging my own self. I will see it. But
Okay.
that disturbed. So many days were like that. I could not sleep properly and waking up early.
Okay.
I gave up. I thought mental peace and proper sleep is more important than all this. So I left it. So I can watch light stuff. I can watch horror movies, but sometimes.
Okay. Is there any disturbing noise coming from a side?
Yeah, I know the kids are passing by, right?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Actually, this is the way of college. Actually,
I know. I've seen that previously as
yeah,
well.
yeah, 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 yeah.
I can
Yeah, I think
realize.
college. Mm, there is a degree college in my village, and it will be around, I think, 200 or 3 meter far away, far from my house. So this is the way where student
200 meter away is fine. Away is fine.
away. Yeah, 300 meters away. Yeah, yeah. So this is the way where always student go, come and go. So this is my favorite place. I usually
Yeah,
sit
because you
here.
used to hear, I can see those all the time.
Yeah,
That background.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's not a big problem because I can hear you fine.
yeah,
And yeah, one more thing, Govan, you
yeah,
said that one of my friends suggested me that movie.
yeah.
So when we use terms like these, one of my or one of yours, so we say plural after that. One of my friends suggested.
Friends.
Yeah. Although it is one boy or one girl who suggested you, right? But you were mentioning one of your many friends,
Yeah, and,
right?
definitely. Yeah.
So it will be like one of my friends.
Okay, so whenever we use one of, so always after one of, we should use plural form of.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Either you can say that a friend of mine suggested,
Yeah,
right? There you will use friend, a friend
friend.
of mine.
Yeah, yeah,
Then you can't say a friends of mine. You are
yeah,
saying I'm one.
yeah,
A
yeah.
friend of mine is fine. But when we say things like, let's say I will say that I'll mention one weakness of mine, that is I sleep a lot. Okay.
Okay,
So one of my weaknesses is that I sleep a lot.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
one of my strengths is that I, you know,
I play badminton. You.
I'm not comfortable. One of my strengths is that I know how to play badminton. So
Yeah.
that is how you can say.
Okay.
I guess you understand this, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
one of
yeah,
my,
yeah,
that's how.
yeah.
So who's your favorite celebrity?
Mm, Priyanka Chopra, I think.
Okay, why?
Mm, I think she's an philanthropist, and she is also the brand ambassador of UNICEF last
Yeah,
14 to 15 years. And she was,
for love.
yeah, yeah, and she is very passionate about children's right, because I have seen many videos of her. So
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
yeah, so she always talk about children's rights, girls' right, basically. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. So did you say she's passionate about?
she's passionate. Yeah,
Passionate. Okay. So
yeah,
try and make your words clear. Okay. You can. I could not decipher what you said. So you should go slow, right?
yeah,
She's passionate about like you should give some pauses and the rest, right? So she's
yeah,
passionate about. Right? All right.
yeah.
So yeah, that's the good reason to be your favorite. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So
And yeah, and ma'am, I think
yeah,
1 or 2 days back, she was in Oprah, Oprah, or I don't know. There is there's an interview. So, mm so she's also talking about this kind of thing, like when she
what,
was, yeah, like when she was 17 or 18, I think. So that time she won Miss World, or I don't know, Miss. I think she is Miss
India,
World or Miss India.
Miss World. Yeah, maybe you're right, Miss World. Miss
Yeah,
World, like.
yeah, yeah. So she was talking about her journey.
Okay.
Now she is in USA.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And also, she has opened some restaurant in New York.
yeah,
Do you know about that? Yeah.
yeah,
So that's, I think, an Indian one. I don't know. I just know that she has opened some restaurant. That's it.
yeah. So yeah. So according to me, I think Priyanka Chopra is the best actress.
She's nice. And
Yeah,
you said that she also talk about a lot of things, right?
yeah.
She's a UNICEF brand ambassador, all that you
Brand
told me.
ambassador. Yeah.
So she talks about. She is singular, so she talks about.
Okay. She talks about,
Yeah.
and
All right.
um, and if I would say, she did talk about. So this is also correct.
She did talk about, yeah, that she talked about something in the past. So she did talk about, when you, if you're
She did
mentioning
talk
a
about.
particular,
Yeah,
so you can say then, yeah, then is when she talked about. She did talk about, or she talked about anything. Yeah.
yeah,
But that
yeah,
is her part.
yeah, yeah. And one thing, ma'am, I always think, being a celebrity, I think this is your fundamental, not fundamental, but this is your duty. Like, because you have fan following, people follow you, people wants to become like you. So you should give, uh, you should give, or you should convey a good message. Like
That's
this kinds of thing people should do, I think, if you have this kind of ability.
that's right,
Like,
because you are in a
yeah,
position.
yeah, yeah, when you are in a position, yeah.
You
Yeah, so
saying
this is
something,
my,
right?
yeah, yeah, this is my personal thought, which I
Yeah,
think.
you are completely right, Juman. Because if you
Yeah,
are at a certain level, and whatever you do, people will see. Whatever
yeah,
you say, people will listen to you. So if you can influence them in a right direction, you can tell them to do something which is good for the society, then why not?
yeah,
Right?
yeah,
If somebody is using their fame for something that is absolutely needed,
yeah,
so I think that's
yeah.
right.
Means, yeah, when you have a fame, and you are using your fame in right direction. So this is
That's
the perfect, yeah. So this is the perfect thing. Yeah,
you're right.
yeah,
Woman, you said that people wants to become like you.
yeah.
I think you know what is wrong in this sentence.
I think most people
Yeah, people
want
want to become
people.
because people is the plural.
People is the plural. Yeah, people want to become like that. Yeah,
So single. If I say every person, like I am a person, and this person wants to become like Priyanka Chopra, then it's fine. Okay, then it's completely fine. But we're talking about people, many people. So people want to become like people want to
okay.
become like
And ma'am, when we use everyone, so that time,
everyone.
like
Mm-hmm.
if I have to say, everyone wants to become like that. So should I use wants or want with everyone?
Wants.
Want,
Everyone wants to become like her. Yeah.
wants s.
Because yes, yes, wants.
Okay,
Everyone. So we talk about everyone. So
okay. So
one,
one,
singular.
one. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
हर कोई हर कोई
हर
बनना
कोई.
चाहता है.
Yeah,
So हर कोई, we can say that as singular. So
yeah.
everyone wants.
Everyone want. Okay. Yeah,
All right.
got it.
So
Yeah.
what else do you think Priyanka Chopra can do to influence young people?
Mm, according to me, I think she is giving her best. According to me, and also means still she is giving. She is
She
giving
is?
from her side. She is giving
Yeah,
from her side.
yeah. Okay. She's doing all her efforts, all that she
Yeah,
could, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay. So, you know a lot about Priyanka Chopra, do you? Or do you have like normal knowledge about her? Because you know,
No,
when somebody is our favorite, so we tend to know everything about them. No?
no, no. I don't means I have little knowledge about her, but yeah, usually I watch her video. Like I have subscribed
You
some.
know, interviews and all that.
Yeah, like I have subscribed some YouTube channels like UNICEF and UNO,
Okay,
like this kind of thing. So I always watch her video.
that's nice.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
So, Bhuvan, our time is about to be over. Actually, it is over.
yeah.
So, do you have a query or is it okay that we wrap up?
No, no, ma'am. I think today conversation very good because my network is very good
No,
today.
that's true. That's true. Both of our networks are very nice today.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah,
they're helping us.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So, okay, then I'll end the meeting.
yeah, yeah, ma'am.
All
Sure.
right.
Yeah.
Bhuvan.
Okay, ma'am.
Very
Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
talking.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And yeah, you can call me Rona. Please don't keep calling me ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Bye bye.